Top espresso machine comparison: Breville, De'Longhi and Gaggia. Looking for the best home espresso machine? Let's compare the Breville Barista Express, the De'Longhi La Specialista, and the Gaggia Classic Pro. First, the Breville Barista Express. It's known for its all-in-one design, built-in grinder and user-friendly interface, perfect for beginners. Pros: great flavor, easy to use, automatic dosing. Cons: grinder can be messy, and the steam wand is a bit weak for some users. Next, the De'Longhi La Specialista. This one's great for those who want professional features with an easy setup. Pros: strong steam wand, precise temperature control, and dual heating system. Cons: higher price and more complicated setup. Finally, the Gaggia Classic Pro, a reliable machine for espresso purists, offering a strong build and excellent consistency. Pros: professional grade shots, durable design. Cons: no built-in grinder, less automation. So which espresso machine is right for you? Breville Barista Express is great for beginners. De'Longhi La Specialista for advanced users. Gaggia Classic Pro for espresso purists. Which one do you prefer? Let us know. Hit the like button and subscribe for more under 2-minute product reviews.